F-A-R-M, farm. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a farm tour. Start off by showing you guys the rabbits. I'm going to tell you each one's name. This one's name is Smokey. Down here, we have Pepper. If we head over here, in this cage, we have our doves. They're molting right now, so they don't have all the feathers, but they'll get them back. Alright, so come over here. In this cage, we have Sassy. And her cage has a hole, so she has two sides. Close this up. Go to this cage. In this cage, we have Mavis Maraschino. In this cage, we have Fudge, which is the sister of Pepper. Here we have Blackie. Peaches. This one is Olive, and this one is Samson. Now, we'll head down here. In this cage, we have Blues. Go back in. That's Blues. In this cage, we have some bantams. In this cage, we have some pigeons. And then the last two rabbits are Ginger and Harper, but we call her Big Mama. This is a farm tour. I will show you the shed, but I'm not giving you a full tour of it because I did give you a tour of it in a different video. But let's go ahead out. Back behind this cage. So back in this cage, we have a rooster. We don't like him to be in the cage, but we put him in the cage because he attacks the other roosters. Just so no roosters get hurt. It's now time to head into the animal's pen. So when we enter into the animal's pen, we're gonna walk over here to the male goat's pen. Now we do have two baby boy goats in here. This one is Everest, and this one is Samuel. I'm not gonna go in because they are escape artists and they will get out, but they're really cute. And then we also have Biggie the piggy in here. And the male goat's in that stall, but he didn't come out today yet. So we'll go check on him. We have some chickens. That is Magnolia. That is Dominic. This is Penelope. Right here we have the Golden Sea Bright male. This lady up here has 9 chicks. We have another full full-grown chicken, and this one, well, this one is full-grown, but it's a bantam. This one is a bigger chicken and has chicks as well. And this is the golden sea bright female. I'll open up her cage for you guys. She has some chicks as well. So, close this back up. And Biscuit, he's in there sleeping. I'll show you guys the rest of the goats and other animals outside. So this is the sheep, Fluffy. I got to find the other two goats. I don't know where they are. Let me try to find them. Okay, I accidentally skipped this stall. I looked in the other stalls, but I skipped this one. This one is Maya. She is a newer goat. She's the last goat. But that's all for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please like the video. Also subscribe if you want to, please. And we will be doing a part 2 tour of the farm. So stay tuned for the part 2.